No, you hang up. No, you hang up. All right, I'll hang up. No, you hang up. Hey guys, Matt here from MJ Harris Group. Welcome to our Hughes Parade project. So there are a few structural changes in this renovation, the main one being the removal of the archway between the existing dining room and the existing kitchen. Today we are in Reservoir for an exciting new kitchen renovation. It's a classic Reservoir home and we're going to transform it in a quirky way. So this wall behind me currently blocks off the hallway and the dining space. And the only way to access this space is through this existing door. So that door is going to go. We're going to relocate the arch that is currently between the kitchen and dining space behind me, and then create more of an open transition between the rest of the house and the kitchen and dining area. Behind me is going to be taken up by the whole brand new kitchen. We're keeping things fairly era appropriate. So dark timbers, we've got some quirky tiles happening and a nice neutral bench top. In a home of this age, there's always some hidden treasures, and the main one in this house was the existing hardwood flooring, which we were able to discover after taking up the carpet and the old school vinyl flooring in the kitchen and resurface and finish back to its original condition. So our clients wanted a modern kitchen which was conducive for today's living. The overall aesthetic of the space was to reflect the original era of the home, so giving nods to vintage charms, dark woods and rich textures. So the way we've laid out this kitchen is in a very modern way. We've kept all our tall storage items to one side, and then we've tried to maximise the rest of the space by spreading out where we've located our oven, our dishwasher and our sink. A key element of this kitchen design is the way we've configured the pantry. The pantry itself is hidden behind pocket doors, which are a fantastic feature. They enable us to close the pantry and keep it hidden from view when not in use, but allow extra storage space and workspace when we pull the pocket doors back. The fit out of the pantry includes pushed open drawers, we've got some fixed shelves in there, and we have a nice bench space, perfect for appliances and smaller items. So we've been able to pack a huge amount of detail into our design here of this kitchen. We have vertical slats throughout the joinery, which not only look great, but act as handles. We've been able to include a little coffee bar shelf, perfect for storing coffee cups. We have fixed shelving with curved edges. And my personal favourite is of course the breakfast nook, which we've been able to clad in Japanese Kit Kat tiles. Perfect place to sit down, relax and have a coffee. Designing this kitchen was heaps of fun, very challenging, but the end result is amazing. It's always great to do something a little bit out of the box, and I think the result speaks for itself.